Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the histology of the small intestine using this histological model. Remember, when we look at the small intestine underneath the microscope, we can see that the small intestine has these finger-like structures known as villi. And in this histological model, that's what we're seeing here. So these finger-like protrusions here, these are going to be the villi of the small intestine. And the epithelium associated with these villi is simple columnar epithelium. We can go ahead and see that throughout here. That's our simple columnar epithelium. And then we can also see these intestinal crypts here. There's one here, there's one over here that's a little harder to see, so this one's a little easier to see. And then they've even kind of blown it up. So we've got this intestinal crypt here, also known as the crypts of Lieberkühn. And then we have this structure here that's known as the lacteal. And this is going to be an important lymphatic structure that assists with the absorption of lipids.